Hello friends, I'm Miss Kitty. Welcome back to Kitty Teaches to Read. Today we will learn about the digraph TH. Let's start. A digraph is when two letters make one sound. We know letter T sounds T and letter H sounds H. But when they come together, they create a unique new sound. TH can have two sounds. A soft sound as in you'll notice you release air through your teeth and tongue as you say it. Practice with me. And a strong sound as in with a little vibration when you press the tip of your tongue against your teeth. When you said hear the soft sound as in thunder. Thunder. Soft as in throne. Throne. We can also find the soft sound at the end of many words. For example, tooth, tooth, bath, bath, earth, earth. Now we'll see the strong sound. You'll notice a little vibration when you say it. Pay attention. Brother, brother. Strong as in mother, mother. Feather, feather. Let's practice more words with the digraph TH. Math, math. Think, think. Sloth, sloth. Thief, thief. Thumb, thumb. If you want to see more of Miss Kitty's videos, subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Have a good day. Goodbye, friends.